Cause I was on YouTube. Watching TY38. Detail world, what it do? We done made it to this first stop of the day, man. We doing this Chevrolet Suburban High Country Edition. Y'all already see this car so much, man, but you already know how it go, man. It's nothing we can't handle over here. Your Way Mobile Car Care Service. We already knocked out the interior of the car, so we already got all the match out. That's the match in the back. That's the match in the rest of the car. But we're gonna go ahead and start on the wheels like always. We're gonna get the wheels nice and clean. Then once we get the wheels nice and clean, we're gonna go ahead and start washing the exterior of the car. And then, you know, always get the door jams and things like that. But I had to grab the key because these doors are automatically locked. But I'm gonna give you a quick glimpse of the interior, let you know what we did. But if you see it, everything completely clean in here. We already cleaned the carpet. We wiped down the dashboard, cleaned the cup holders. Oh, excuse me. Cleaned the cup holders and things like that. But see the rest of the car. Got the car looking good. So we're about to go ahead and work on this exterior real quick, get it done. We got 3 more appointments for the day. So I'm trying to hurry up and get this done so I can continue my day. But like always, man, you be great and I'm gonna be great. And like always, catch you in a minute. Hey. Detail world, what it do? We done finished this first car today, which is this Chevy Suburban. You already see the car all the time. We always out here. She loves using our services, but we got the car completely done. Only thing I haven't done yet is just shine the tires. And I'm not 100% sure if I'm gonna do that because once again, you already know the rain. But the interior of the car came out well, like always. It had a little mud on the seats. I think she had like a dog in here or something, so it had a little mud on the seat. But we got all that up and everything like that. But like always, man, you already know we take so much pride in the work we do over here, man. So on that note, man, just make sure you take whatever you're doing seriously and always take pride in whatever you're doing. And like always, man, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you're not, you already know, man. Leave a comment, like, share. You already know the script, man. Stick to the script. And like always, I'm gonna do what I gotta do, so do what you gotta do, and I'm gonna catch you in a minute. Peace. So, y'all know yesterday we had that school shooting out here in Nashville, man, where they lost the lives of 3 individuals, 3 kids, and three adults. The perpetrator was a 20-year-old woman. She came into school to do whatever she did. I'm not 100% sure. They haven't said it, or they even put any speculations on the news of why it occurred. But if you see, they still got the school shut down. And then, you know, people out here doing their interviews. They got plenty of cameramen out here. They got your local cameramen. They got people that's coming out of town doing this. You know, they even got, you know, so various people, you know, various different sources. You know, different sources coming from around different places. But like I said, you see it, man, you know, and it's sad that it takes people for tragedy, for people to come together for tragedy, man. It's always a sad thing. But you know, they got Fox News out here, they got ABC News, they got CBS out here. And then they even got your local places, like I said. But once again, all these people out here for the school shooting that happened yesterday at Covenant Press School, that's actually over there. Like I said, I was working yesterday and they actually had the area shut down. So it's kind of hard to maneuver the way I wanted to maneuver. So I'm about to go ahead and get out of here, man. I just wanted to show you what they actually got going on out here, man. And like I said, it's sad that those kids and those adults lost their lives. And like always, man, we're gonna make sure that we you know, just stay positive out here, man. Because like I said, the world is filled with negativity. And with so much negativity going on in the world, it's hard to even find that positivity. So if you got anything positive to say, you know, go say it to the person that's next to you. You know what I mean? Like I always say, tell your family, you know, you love them because you never know when you see them again. And on that note, like always, man, do what you got to do. And I'm going to do what I got to do. I'm going to catch y'all in a minute, man. Peace. it do, man? I hope y'all having a great day today, man. We actually just finished this second call today. It might be the last call today because my next appointment, he's definitely not answering phone. And then my last stop today, she got to run all the way home, which is going to take about an hour and so. And I ain't got time to wait around. But y'all see the car. The two cars we always doing, the GMC Denali and that Chevrolet Suburban. They're very good customers. They stay on my schedule. They love keeping their cars clean. But on that note, you see it, man. We didn't tire shine the tires today. We're supposed to do a little bit of rain. So when it says it's gonna rain, I try not to tire shine the shower. And then if you look dirty right there, it's actually a bug I killed. It's a big ass bug. But yeah, the inside of the car came out well, man. We got the whole inside done. Got it clean in and out. You know what I mean? But we about to go ahead and give dude one more call to see who he at, what he want to do. And if not, we about to just head home and enjoy the rest of this day with the kids. But like always, man, y'all know we take so much pride over here at Your Way Mobile Car Care Service. So on that note, I hope you take pride in whatever you're doing, man. And like I always say, man, no matter what you're doing in life, make sure you're doing it the way you want to do it. Try not to follow other people's dreams and ambitions, because once you start following other people's dreams and ambitions, you get lost in the sauce. And we definitely don't want to get lost in the sauce unless it's our own sauce. But on that note, I'm about to go ahead and call it a day, y'all. So this is the last call of the day, like always. One love, love thyself. Look in the mirror and say, I love you. I love you. I'm talking to you, baby. Anyway, and like always, man, peace. Cause I was on YouTube. Watch the TY 38.